Hi guys, I'm Bree, and I'm the co-owner along with my husband of Breezy Tea, and we make hair products that fight frizz, lock in moisture, and protect your hair from damage with style. I'm actually wearing our satin sleep scarf today in khaki. Yes, this is a sleep scarf, and that's just one of the things that I absolutely love about our products. They're so versatile. So not only can I wear this scarf to sleep, but I can make it into a super cute headband and be on my way. So if you'd like to see any of our t-shirt hair towel wraps, our satin lined beanies, our satin sleep scarves, our ankara and satin bonnets and scarves, or our natural curly hair tees, just visit us at breezytea.com. Now let's jump into the star of this video, which I'm so excited about. Okay, so here is the star of this video. This beautiful highlighter is from Givenchy's brand new, collection, African Light. And it is a bouncy highlighter. The color is 01 African Light Gold. It's a little darker than it's appearing on camera. It's stunning. It's stunning. And it smells good too. This is really nice. Okay. And the thing about it was, yes, the imprint on the front is absolutely what had me salivating for a couple of weeks waiting for this to drop. But I know that that's going to go away. What ultimately made me want to buy it was that it was a bouncy highlighter, described as a bouncy highlighter with a cooling effect. I don't have any highlighters with a cooling effect. I was intrigued. What's a bouncy highlighter? What's it gonna do? So it was the look which drew me in, and then the formula is what sealed the deal. So I'm excited to just jump in. Today, I'm going to swatch it on my hands, and I've done my makeup except for my highlighting and my lipstick. So we're going to try this on, and I'll give you my first thoughts. So let's jump in to this beautiful new highlighter from Givenchy. So let me just swatch this on my hand. Oh man, this feels like a cream. This is the coolest thing. It looks like, I thought it was going to be more of a powder, but this feels like a cream. Here it is on my hand. Guys, you're not getting more than this because I can't, I really can't be wasting too much highlighter on my hand. I don't need my hand highlighted, but this is it. It's beautiful. As you can see, it's a pretty gold color, but it really does. It feels cool to the touch. It feels like butter, okay? It really feels like silk. It's super, it's creamy, it's soft, exciting, and I want to get this on my cheeks. So let's get to that right now. Let's just get to that. So I thought I was going to use a brush, but I'm going to use my finger for this first time. Guys, it's breaking my heart to mess up the design, but I didn't buy it to just look at. So here we go. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty, and it's creamy. And it hits the skin. Oh, that's pretty. I see it. It's pretty. I see it. It's pretty. Listen, this is what they say about it. It is a limited edition jelly highlighter with a cooling effect that leaves a golden shimmer finish. And it can be applied to the high points of the face or a dewy finish. Now, the thing is that I'm not somebody who loves, needs, wants actually. I don't always need a big old shiny highlighter. I just don't. I really just don't. I like a more subtle highlighter. Fits my everyday life. I'm liking this here. It is light, but it's beautiful. And let's do this other side. Is it catching? Is it catching the line? Yo, this is really hurting my feelings. Swirling it in there. Like, oh. No. Okay. Okay. Blend you out. So this is something else that I know that I really think is cool. This is infused with macadamia nut oil. This is infused with coconut fruit extract and honey extract. What all three of those things do is help with moisture. So there's a bit of skincare in this makeup, which I absolutely love and appreciate. The macadamia oil is an antioxidant that hydrates the skin. Honey is an anti-inflammatory that too lends itself to moisture in the skin. And the coconut fruit extract is a moisturizing antibacterial that fights acne. Okay, so I absolutely love when makeup, it just, you know, blends in with skincare, because at the end of the day, we want to keep our skin looking right. And yeah, so I'm digging it. It actually looks more in real life than it does. You can see it's a subtle, pretty glow. It's kind of showing up more here. Take a little down the nose, the bridge of the nose. And yeah. So the price point is, I think it's $41. I think it's the same in euros and in pounds. It is the same. I think it's like 41 pounds and around 40 euros. So like I said, it just dropped. Also in the collection, they have their Prism blushes. The inspiration for this collection was Africa and the lights in Africa. So the tones of the other products, they're earthy tones, the golds, burgundies, oranges, so like the colors of the earth. And it's a really, really beautiful collection on a whole. But this is the one product that stood out to me that I knew that I had to have. So this is the only thing that I got in the collection. But it does look like a lovely collection, and that is the African Light collection. So you can see it here. You can see it a bit more here, the highlight. Maybe it's just the way that the light is hitting it. Okay, so there's some more there. It really is beautiful. This is up my alley because it looks natural, which is what I believe they were going for. It's more of a natural glow, a natural finish. It's not an over-the-top highlighter. So if you're one who wants a lot of brightness and sparkle and all that from your highlighter, I don't know if you're gonna love it. If you're like me and you like a more subtle look, then this may very well be for you, okay? So the lipstick I'm going to use is this beautiful one. This one is called Sloan, and it's from Givenchy's Le Rouge collection. How you like my French? Le Rouge from Givenchy, the collection. And this is beautiful. I just got this too. It is a coral. I'm really just falling into just, you know, when you look at your lipstick collection and it just looks like 7,000 neutrals. But this one was a little more coral, so I wanted to just change it up a little bit. So I'm gonna this one. Good for spring. Good for spring. And yes, I did line my lips with a dark brown liner because I've been doing that since I was like a teenager. And that's just not going to change. I like a dark liner on the lip. I'm really afraid of, not afraid, let's not get too beside ourselves. I'm not afraid. I do not typically like super bright lipsticks, but I'm experimenting a little bit more, and actually I think this is really pretty, and I think it's a really pretty one for the spring and the summer. So this is the final look. Got my breezy tee, satin sleep scarf slash headband on. I've got my Givenchy Bouncy highlighter from the African Light collection and Sloan on my lips. I have to tell you, my first impressions, if you haven't figured it out, are quite good. Absolutely love it. I think this is stunning. I think it's just visually, it's just beautiful. But more than that, it is really creamy. I like the formula. It is cooling to the touch. It's super, super soft. I actually like how natural the finish is on my skin, and it smells good too. So absolutely worth it. I think it's a lovely highlighter, and if you're into the more subtle natural look, I think it will be for you and something that you like. In terms of the price is like so many other high-end highlighters out there, so it's comparable to what you would get from any other brand of its ilk. And I just really like it, and I can't wait. I think it's perfect for the summer. This lipstick is just beautiful to me, and I'm glad I kind of broke out my box and went a little bit brighter than I typically would. I like it with the liner. And yeah, that's it. That's my final review. I give it a million thumbs up. It's beautiful. It feels nice. And I absolutely love that it has these oils in it to keep my skin sort of protected as I'm wearing it. Appreciate it. Love it. Anything that's going to give my skin moisture, I'm so here for. That's it. I hope you enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you get anything from the collection, if you try this highlighter, if you like it. If you'd like to visit us on social media, we are Breezy Tea Towels 1 on Instagram, and we're Breezy Tea Towels on Facebook and Twitter. And if you'd like to see any of our products, just visit us at breezytea.com. So that's it for me. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now, guys. Bye.